Please review the disclosures. Nothing written, expressed, or said here should be looked at as investment advice or an admonition to buy, sell, or trade any security or financial instrument. The Lund Loop is for informational purposes only. Today we've got a question from a Lund Loop member in the Discord named Ordeal. And Ordeal says, if I may ask, how do you guys see when a stock is bottoming out? For example, if I were to look at NVIDIA, they were down to 164 a few weeks back, and today they went down to 168. Can you look at the company earnings and capital and see if the stock is likely to go down? And if so, by how much, approximately? How does support and resistance tie into that and moving averages? What numbers do you guys use to make estimated guesses on what certain stocks will do other than with big news events? Okay, so what I love about the Discord is a bunch of Lund Loop subscribers. BP Horton jumped in to answer this question. King David jumped in to answer this question. Also, Velo Trader jumped in to answer this question. And basically, this is a question about fundamentals. Like, what are the fundamental things you can glean from a stock to determine how it's going to move? All right, so let's get into this. This is Ryan Graves. Ryan Graves was the first real employee at Uber. There was Travis Kalanick who started it, and then he hired Ryan. Ryan was at Uber for a long time, made billions of dollars, and then left and now is a VC investor. This is a story from February 1st, 2021. Uber veteran Ryan Graves to invest $50 million into Metromile and join the board of directors. There was also Chamath was in there, Mark Cuban, and a bunch of leading institutional investors. What was Metromile? It was this new revolutionary auto insurance company that was going to be able to track your car based upon how many actual miles. Like right now they estimate like you're going to do 10,000 miles or 12,000 miles. Metromile was going to actually have something in your car that would be able to track the actual mileage and the areas that you drove, highway, city, high risk areas, so that they could get you better insurance rates. So this was 2021, and I bought stock in Metromile because I thought Ryan Graves, smart guy, billionaire, all these smart people are in here. It's got to be a good fundamental story. Here's what happened.